Beneath every garden lies a hidden world, one that can be full of life or utterly lifeless. We admire our plants, but rarely consider the soil that sustains them. Sometimes, that soil is what I call dead, not just dry, but stripped of life. Dead soil lacks the vital microbes, fungi, and bacteria that make a garden thrive. Healthy soil is dark, crumbly, and teeming with invisible life. Dead soil is compacted, pale, and unable to hold water or nourish plants. The difference is staggering. A handful of living soil contains more organisms than people on Earth. These microbes break down organic matter, create air pockets, and hold water for your plants. Without them, soil becomes a barren anchor, not a source of life. Relying on chemical fertilizers is like feeding a person only vitamin pills. Plants survive, but never truly thrive. Microbes are the plant's digestive system, unlocking nutrients and building resilience. Without this community, plants starve, weaken, and become easy targets for pests. If your plants are yellowing, stunted, or constantly attacked by pests, look down. Your soil may be dead. Hard, cracked soil with no worms is a warning sign. But don't despair. Soil can recover. It's rarely truly dead, just dormant, waiting for life to return. With a few simple steps, you can revive your soil for free, using things from your kitchen. The journey to a thriving garden starts with bringing your soil back to life. Let's discover how to do it, simply, naturally, and effectively. Your garden's future begins beneath your feet. Healthy soil means healthy plants, and it's within your reach. Let's get started on reviving your soil. The transformation is easier than you think. Most soil damage happens by accident, even with good intentions. Overusing chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides wipes out beneficial microbes along with pests. These chemicals sterilize the soil, creating a lifeless environment. Leaving soil bare exposes it to sun and rain, baking the surface and washing away precious topsoil. In nature, soil is always covered. Mulch acts as protective armor. Excessive tilling disrupts fungal networks and kills earthworms, breaking soil structure. Tilling also brings weed seeds to the surface, making more work for you. Synthetic fertilizers create dependency, bypassing the natural plant-microbe partnership. Plants stop feeding microbes, and the soil community collapses. The result? Poorer, weaker soil and plants that need constant chemical support. To break this cycle, we must protect and feed the life in our soil. Simple changes can restore balance and resilience. Healthy soil is built by working with nature, not against it. Let's see how to bring that life back. Reviving soil doesn't require expensive products, just 4 simple kitchen ingredients. First, jaggery or unrefined brown sugar. This is pure energy for microbes, fueling rapid growth. Second, gram flour, or any pulse flour. It's the protein source, helping microbes multiply and thrive. Third, a handful of healthy soil from your garden or a natural area. This is your starter culture, packed with native microbes. Fourth, chlorine-free water. Chlorine kills microbes, so let tap water sit out for 24 hours before using. These ingredients create a powerful microbial brew, a probiotic for your garden. The sugar energizes, the flour builds, the soil seeds, and the water brings it all together. This formula wakes up dormant life and multiplies it fast. You're not introducing foreign organisms, just boosting your garden's own survivors. The result is a living elixir that transforms dead soil into a thriving ecosystem. It's simple, natural, and costs almost nothing. With these 4 ingredients, you can jumpstart your soil's recovery. Let's see how to mix them for maximum effect. Your garden's comeback starts here. Ready to brew some life? Making your soil revival brew is easy. Think of it as a sourdough starter for your garden. Use a 20-liter bucket, rinsed clean. Add 200 grind jaggery and 200 grind gram flour. Pour in a few liters of chlorine-free water and stir until dissolved. Add 1 kilos of healthy soil as your starter culture. Top up with water to fill the bucket, leaving space for frothing. Stir well. This aerates the mix and encourages beneficial microbes. For 3 to 5 days, stir twice daily, morning and evening, in both directions. This keeps oxygen levels high and harmful bacteria at bay. After a few days, your brew should smell pleasantly yeasty or fermented. If it smells bad, start over. The process is forgiving. Don't stress about exact measurements. Nature's resilient. And so is this method. Once ready, you have a potent living elixir for your soil. Let's learn how to use it for best results. Your microbial elixir is ready. Now it's time to feed your soil. Dilute 1 part elixir with 10 parts chlorine-free water. Apply early morning or late evening to protect microbes from sunlight. Always water the soil first. Moist soil helps microbes travel and establish. Pour the diluted brew around plant bases covering the root zone. Focus on feeding the soil, not the leaves. For struggling areas, apply weekly. For maintenance, monthly is enough. This routine builds a resilient living soil ecosystem. Consistency is key. Regular feeding transforms your garden over time. Healthy soil means less watering, fewer pests, and stronger plants. With each application, you're restoring nature's balance. Simple, effective, and free. Your garden will thank you. Let's avoid common mistakes to keep your soil thriving. A few missteps can undo your hard work. Here's what to avoid. Don't swap ingredients. Stick to jaggery and gram flour for best results. Use your brew fresh. Don't store it for weeks as microbes lose potency. Plan your brewing so it's ready when you need it. Avoid chemical fertilizers. They harm the very microbes you're cultivating. Trust the natural process. Living soil feeds plants better than any synthetic feed. Never pour the brew onto dry, sun-baked soil. Always water first, and apply in the cool of morning or evening. These simple habits protect your microbial investment. With care, your soil will come alive and stay healthy. Now, let's boost your results with kitchen scraps. Enhance your soil elixir with zero-cost kitchen scraps. Banana peels soaked in water make a gentle potassium-rich tea for plants. Used coffee grounds add nitrogen and feed earthworms. Sprinkle them around acid-loving plants. Crushed eggshells provide calcium, preventing issues like blossom end rot. Dry and powder eggshells for faster breakdown in soil. These scraps add nutrients and encourage a diverse microbial community. Combined with your elixir, they mimic nature's recycling system. You're turning waste into a resource, closing the loop at home. It's free, sustainable, and builds fertile, living soil. Small changes make a big difference. Let's see the results you can expect. The transformation is remarkable. Your soil becomes softer, darker, and holds water better. Earthworms return, aerating and enriching the soil. Their presence signals a thriving ecosystem. Plants grow stronger, greener, and more resilient to pests and disease. Seedlings emerge vigorously, and established plants flourish. You'll water less, fight fewer pests, and enjoy more blooms and fruit. Gardeners report dramatic improvements: lush tomatoes, vibrant roses, and productive beds. This isn't magic, it's restoring nature's balance. Your soil isn't dead, it's waiting for life to return. With simple natural steps, you awaken its potential. The results speak for themselves: healthier plants, richer harvests, and a garden full of life. You've turned dust into a diamond right from your kitchen. The journey starts beneath your feet. Revive your soil, and your garden will thrive. Nature's power is in your hands. Let it grow.